What you see here may feel a little like science fiction. But this is not fiction. This is technology. This is where smartphone communication performance is tested. All global mainstream operator networks are tested here. This is the SAR lab. It simulates the effects of electromagnetic radiation on the body, leading imaging expertise enhanced by remote tuning. An anechoic chamber exploring the limits of human hearing. Thousands of ambient light conditions to create the best of displays, overcoming challenges through unrelenting effort.